Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to change battery icon color in iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just take a look on my battery here. What is the color? My battery color is yellow since it's under 80 and it's in a low battery mode. But then to change this color, you just need to go into the settings, and now you just need to scrolling down until you find this accessibility right here, and then you just need to go click it. And this accessibility, you just need to take a look on this vision and go into the display and text size. Now you need to scrolling down until you found the Smart Invert. Now you just need to activate these tools. But before we activate it, to do comparison, now let's take a look on the battery. You can see it's yellow, and whenever we activate the Smart Invert, and here is the result. Now you can see that the color of my battery changed from yellow to blue. So that's the way how to change the battery icon color in iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you guys. So don't forget to leave some comments, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.